Withdrawing money from your Phantom wallet to a bank account requires converting your cryptocurrency into a fiat currency like USD and transferring it to your bank account. Here's how to do it. Access Phantom Wallet. Open the Phantom Wallet browser extension or mobile app on your device. Select your token. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw from your Phantom Wallet. Convert crypto to fiat. Most exchanges or wallets like Phantom don't support direct bank withdrawals. Instead, you will need to convert your crypto into a supported exchange and then transfer it to your bank account. Transfer your tokens from Phantom Wallet to an exchange that supports fiat withdrawals. On the exchange, convert your tokens into a fiat currency. Withdraw to bank account. Once your crypto is converted into fiat, navigate to the withdrawal section on the exchange. Enter your bank account details. Specify the withdrawal amount and confirm the transaction. Track your withdrawal. After completing the withdrawal, monitor the status of the transaction through the exchange or bank statements.